Okay, today we're going to talk about how to take the carburetor off of your Suzuki Spirit. Pretty easy. Start with this screw here, just unscrew it. You don't have to go all the way, just loosen it up. Next, this guy right here. I'm going to undo that. Is that loose yet? Take that guy off. Just pull him out of there. Looks like that. Set him aside. Probably should stick it somewhere good. Then over here we have this guy. You just squeeze this down and then that comes out that little slot right there. And the fuel hose, just give that guy a yank off. Alright. And then do the old wiggle and pull. And there she is. And now you just take these two screws here off and then the carburetor is freed. Or that happens and the cable just pulled through the little hole, so in which case you can leave that bracket on. So there you have it. Now you can take it apart and clean it, or do what I do and sell it. Check out my website, theoutboardguy.com. Thank you.